Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide your like reels in friends feed on Instagram. So first things first, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Instagram application. To do that, you have to go to your Google Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. On Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and if you see the update button right here, then all you need to do is tap on update. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is updating, and once done, you can now launch or open your Instagram. Now, in order for you to hide your like reels and friends feed, what you're going to do is you have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Click these three lines at the top right corner. And then here on settings and privacy, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and look for the option who can see your content. Now tap on activity in friends tab. Click this one and it will take you directly to this, and what you're going to do is you have to simply tap on no one option right here. As you can see in activity and friends tab, it will show you two options. You can see your likes and comments on reels in the friends tab. You can tap on followers you follow back, or tap on no one. So since our tutorial is how to hide your like reels and friends feed, then you have to select the second one right here. And basically, that's it. Another thing to simply hide your like reels, and then you just have to simply go to account privacy and then turn this private account right here. And that way, your friends or your posts or likes will not appear on public. And basically, that's how easy it is to hide your like reels in friends tab on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.